Jai Gurudev student. Beta, in last class we have completed up to the exercise 6.1. Today we are going to start exercise 6.2, question number 1. See that solve and verify the solution. Here we will have two methods. First in trial and error method, and second will be transposition method. First few questions I am discussing with you with the trial and error method. See that how we will do. 6x minus 3 is equal to 21 is there. So what we will do, we would like to remove this minus 3 from here. So what we can do, we can add plus 3 on both the sides. So that minus and plus they will become cancel. Okay, so 6x minus 3 and here you will add plus 3. So whatever operation you are doing on left side, that same operation you will do on the right side. If some operation you are doing on right side, then same operation you will do on the left side also. So see that 21 plus 3. So see that 3 and 3 will become cancelled. So 6x is equal to 24. So now we don't want to this 6 here. For that what we will do, if we will divide this 6x by 6, then in this way this 6 can be removed from left hand side. So same operation we will do on the right hand side also. So 6x upon 6 is equal to 24 upon 6. So x is equal to 4. Okay, now in this way we got the value of x as 4. So now we have to verify, and for verifying what we will do, we will keep the value of x in the left hand side and as well as in right hand side. So see that what we will have now, 6x minus 3. So 6 into 4 minus 3, 24 minus 3 is equal to 21. Right hand side is already 21. So left hand side and right hand side are coming equal. It means that your solution has verified. Now see that beta, be part of the same question. 7x plus 4 is equal to 11. So we don't want this 4 as earlier we have done. So here plus 4 is there. So what we can do, minus 4, and same operation we will do on the right hand side also. So plus 4 and minus 4 will become cancel. So right hand side it will become 11 minus 4 will be equal to 7. Now we would like to make this x as free. So this 7 should not be along with this x. So what we will do, 7x upon 7 is equal to 7 upon 7. If you will divide this 7x by 7, so in this way 7 and 7 will be removed from here. So x is equal to 7 1 is 7, x is equal to 1. Now put the value in the left hand side, 7 into 1 plus 4. So 7 1 is 7 plus 4 is equal to 11, and right hand side is already 11. So left hand side and right hand side will become equal. Now come to the C part of the question beta. Okay, see that 6x minus 3 is equal to x upon 5 plus 26. So first of all remove this minus 3 from here, add plus 3 on both the sides. So what it will become, 6x minus 3 and plus 3 will become cancel, x upon 5 plus 26 plus 3. Okay beta, now see that 6x is equal to x upon 5 plus 29. 26 plus 3 will become 29. Now we don't want this 6 here. Okay, we will make x as free. So 6x upon 6 is equal to, here right hand side also same operation we will do, but here two terms are there. That's why I put the bracket, and by 1 upon 6 I divide it out of the bracket. Okay, so that I will not have any confusion. So see that x is equal to x upon 6 5 ja 30 plus 29 upon 6. Okay beta, now see that I don't want this. I would like to free this x also on the right hand side. So what we can do, we will divide by 30 now. Okay, we will divide by 30 now. No, sorry, multiply by 30 now. So if we are multiplying by 30 on the right hand side, so same thing we will do in the left hand side also. So 30x is equal to x upon 30 into 30 plus 29 upon 6 into 30. In both the terms same operation will be done. Okay, see that now 30x is equal to 30 and 30 will become cancel, up plus 29 into 5 will become 140. 6 5 to 30 and 29 and 5 will be in numerator. See that now we don't want this plus x here. So it is plus x because no sign is in front of this. So what we will do, minus x we will add on the left hand side, right hand side. So same thing we will do here also. So 30x minus x is equal to x minus x plus 145. Okay, now see that 30x minus x will be 29x is equal to 145. See here they will become cancelled. So 20, now we don't want this 29, so divide it by 29. So same thing you will do on the right hand side also. So in this way you will get x is equal to as 5. Now put the value on left hand side, 6x minus 3. So 6 into 5 minus 3, 30 minus 3 will be equal to 27. Now put the value on right hand side also, x upon 5 plus 26, and x is 5. So 5 plus 5 upon 5 plus 26, 5 1 ja 5, 26 plus 1 will be equal to 27. So in this way left hand side and right hand side will be as equal. Okay, now come to the question number D part now. This time I am doing this question by the substitution method. This is another method. See that how we will do in this method. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So minus 16x plus 6 is equal to 3 5 ja 15, minus 15, or minus into minus plus 3x. Okay, multiplication we have done. So 8 plus 6 beta. Now see that, collect the like terms. Minus 16x, and whenever we are shifting the like terms from one side to another side. One side to another side means if we are shifting from left hand side to right hand side and right hand side to left hand side, at that time their sign will be changed. And how they can be changed beta? If it is of plus sign, then it will become minus sign on the shifting on another side, and if it is of minus sign, then it will become of plus sign on the shifting on another side. Okay, now see that beta, this plus 3x was there on the right hand side, so when you will bring it here in the left hand side, so it will become minus 3x. Same way, it is minus 15, this plus 8 will become minus 8, this plus 6 will become minus 6. So see that you have learned integers in the class 6th maybe, and everybody of you know the operations of integer. When we are adding two negative numbers, then we will two negative numbers we will add them, and they in front of that them minus sign will come, so it will become minus 19x is equal to, here on the all the values are negative, so you add them and put negative sign in front of them. So x is equal to 29 upon 19. Okay, now you will solve, put the x you got as one of the solution of the given equation or expression. So now what you will do, put the value of x in the left hand side. So x 8 into 1 minus 2x plus 6, it is our left hand side. So what you will do, 8 1 minus 2 into 29, in place of x we have shifted its value, 29 upon 19 plus 6. So 8 in bracket 1 minus 29 to the 58 upon 19 plus 6. So now 8 will remain as out of the bracket, 19 1 ja 19 minus 58 upon 19 plus 6. Now see that beta, from smaller number greater number whenever we will subtract, then subtraction will be as same. 18 minus 9 will be 9, and here 4 minus 1 will be as 3. But from the smaller number we are subtracting the greater number, that's why minus sign will come in front of it. It is also rules of integer. Okay, now we got this value. So you just multiply 8 into minus 39 will be as minus 312 or plus 114 upon 19. So what you will get, it will be minus 198 upon 19. Same way, in the same process we will do on the right hand side also, and here also we got minus 198 upon 19. So left hand side and right hand side will become equal. Okay, now see that beta, next question number F part of the same question. Okay, and what is in that one, 5x is equal to minus 3x plus 56. Here again I have done it by the transposition method. Here minus 3x was there, these are two like terms, so we can shift them in one side. Minus 3x will become here plus 3x, and on the right hand side only 56 will remain. Okay, so 8x, 5 plus 3, 8x is equal to 56. So x is equal to 56 upon 8 is equal to 7. It is transposition method. Alternate method I have done is by the trial and error method also. 5x is equal to minus 3x plus 56. Okay, we don't need this minus 3x on the right hand side. Already we are having x term in the left hand side. So what we will do, minus 3x if it is there, so you add plus 3x on the right hand side. So I have added 3x and then this minus 3x plus 56. Same operation we will do in the left hand side also. Okay, so what it will become, 5x plus 3x. So 8x is equal to 56. Now we don't want this 8 divided by 8 then, or same thing do on the right hand side also. So in this way you will get as x is equal to 7. Okay, now put the value in the left hand side. 5x, 5 into 7 is equal to 35. In right hand side, minus 3x plus 56, minus 3 into 7 plus 56. 3 7 is 21, minus 21 plus 56. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So it will become as 35, because I taught you the rules of integers or addition or subtraction rule of integer while I was teaching you chapter number 1. At that time I have given two opposite sign number are always subtracted and with the greater number sign. A greater number having what sign? 35. So in this way you will get 35. Now see that H part of the same question. Okay, 3 minus x upon 4 is equal to 9. So we don't want this 4 in the denominator. So multiply it by 4. Same thing you will do in the right hand side also. So 3 minus x is equal to 36. Now what we don't want, this plus 3 we don't want. Okay, it is of plus 3 because in front of this no sign is there. So you add minus 3 on this side. If you are adding minus 3 on this side, so you will add on this side also. So minus x is equal to 36 minus 3 will be 33. So x is equal to minus 33. Now put the values on the left hand side. So 3 minus in bracket minus 33 upon 4. So 3 plus 33 upon 4. So you will get 9. And already right hand side you are having 9. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in this way I am leaving that E, F, G and I. You will do same as I have done. You will perform these questions in your homework. Okay, so don't write homework there. Your solution should be there and you will do those questions yourself. Okay, now come to the question number 2 now. In this question you have to find the value of 2x minus 4. So what you will do, you don't want this 5 here. So what you will do, 2x minus 4 into 5 multiplied by 5 upon 5 is equal to 5 into 5. We have multiplied this by 5. Okay. So 5 and 5 will become cancel. So 2x minus 4 will be equal to how much? 5 5 ja 25. So it will be your answer. It will be your answer. See that now. Second part of this question. You have to given 24 minus x is equal to 12. So what you will do? You have to find the value of minus x. It means only in left side you required minus x. So what you don't want? This plus 24. So what you will do? Minus 24. Minus 24 plus 24 minus x. So what operation you have done? Minus 24. So write that on the right hand side also. Minus 24. Okay. So minus 24 and plus 24 will become cancel. So minus x is equal to, this is 12 minus 24. Two opposite sign number are always subtracted with greater number sign. So subtract them. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Greater number having what sign? Minus. So minus x will be equal to as minus 12. What will be the answer of minus x? It will be of minus 12. Now see that 3x plus 4 is equal to 8. Find 3x plus 4 is equal to what? For finding 3x plus 4, what you will do? 3x plus 4 upon 12. So you have to multiply it by 12 so that 12 can be cancelled from here. So same thing you will do here, 8 into 12. So 12 into 12 will become cancelled. So 3x plus 4 is equal to 96. So it will be your answer. Now see that D and E part you will do same as I have done these three parts. So it will be your homework. Now come to the question number 3rd. And A part of this is minus 3x is equal to minus 24. First make them cancel. Okay. So 3x is equal to 24. So they are in multiplication. You have to find the value of x is equal to 24 divided by 3. So x is equal to 24. 3 8 ja 24. So x will be as 8 as. So whenever they will be in multiplication, two terms, then one terms along with the another one, it will divide the on the another side term. Okay, right hand side term it will be divided by the left hand side term. So b minus 4x is equal to 196. So you have to find x, keep x here, is equal to 196 upon minus 4. So x is equal to See that minus 4x is equal to 196. Okay, so what you will do, x you just keep here, 196 upon minus 4. So x is equal to how much? Minus 49. Okay, now see that E part I am doing, and then rest of the part you will do as I am doing these one. E is 12x is equal to 0. Okay, what I told, if they are in multiplication, so you just keep x here and 0 upon 12, and 0 upon something is always 0, so x will be equal to 0. So in this way, C, D and F part, C, D and F part you will do in your homework. Okay, see that now, minus 3x is equal to minus 81. So minus and minus will become cancel. So 3x is equal to 81. So x is equal to 81 upon 3. Okay, and here also I am doing this. So on right hand side I don't want, this time I am doing by the trial and error method. See that I don't want this 11 here, so what I can do, minus 11x upon 11. Same operation I will do here also, 121 upon 11. Okay, so by this method also you can do. 11 and 11 will become cancel. So 11, if you will divide 121 by 11, you will get 11. So 11 is equal to minus x. So x is equal to minus 11 will be as your answer. Okay, now come to the question number 4. X plus 3 upon x minus 2 is equal to 7 upon 2 is your question. You have to solve this equation. So how you will do the cross multiplication. So if you will multiply x plus 3 multiplied by 2. Now this will be multiplied with this x minus 2 into 7. When this multiplication can be done, when both the side will have equal sign or they will be in fractional form. Okay, now see that 2 into x plus 3 into 2. Okay, 2x plus 3 into 2 is equal to, in the same way multiply right hand side of also, 7 into x and minus 2 into 7. Okay, now see that 2x plus 3 to the 6 is equal to 7x minus 14. Now what you will do, collect like terms. Collect like terms. So like terms means, see that x and x are like terms, but here it is plus 7x. Okay, and what you will do, you just, this is 6 and this is minus 14. You just keep this 6 here, and this minus 14 when you will bring here, it will become plus 14. Okay, plus 14 is equal to, now write this first 7x and take this plus 2x on the right hand side. What it will become? Minus 2x. 16 plus 4, 20 is equal to 5x. Okay, so we don't want this 5 now. So 20 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 5x. So it will become cancel one time. So 1 into x, 5 4 are 20. So 4 is equal to x. So x will be 4 as your answer. X will be 4 as your answer. See that B part now. 3x plus 2 upon 3x minus 2 is equal to 6 upon 1 I am writing, so that I can do the cross multiplication. So multiply it with 3x plus 2 into 1 is equal to, right hand side denominator, its denominator 3x minus 2 and another fraction numerator into 6. Okay, now see that if 1 ja means 1, so 3x plus 2 will come here is equal to 6 into 3x and minus 2 into 6. Okay, see that now 3x plus 2 is equal to 6 3 ja 18x minus 6 2 ja 12. Okay, now collect the like terms. This plus 2 will keep here. Now this minus 12 will become plus 12. Now write on the right hand side 18x, write first, and this plus 3x will go on right hand side, it will become minus 3x. Okay, so 12 plus 2 14. 12 plus 2 14 is equal to 18 minus 3, how much? 15x. So 14 upon 15 is equal to x. This 15 will come in its denominator. So x is equal to, what will be your answer? 14 upon 15. take as LCM beta 7 into 3 in denominator. This 3 will multiplied with 3 into 2. 3 2 ja 6. Okay, in bracket x minus 9 plus x into 7. X into 7 is equal to 3. Now see that 6 x minus 9 plus 7x upon 7 3 ja 21. We have taken this 7 into 3 as LCM na, for both the terms is equal to 3 upon 1. Now first simplified 6x minus 6 9 ja 54 plus 7x whole upon 21 is equal to 3 upon 1. Okay, 7x or 6x both are of plus, so add them. 7 plus 6 13x minus 54 upon 21 is equal to 3 upon 1. Now do the cross multiplication. So this term will multiplied with 1. It means same term will come. 13x minus 54 is equal to 21 into 3. Okay, see that now. 13x is equal to 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. This minus 54 will go on right hand side and it will become plus 54. Okay, do in the same step as I am doing. So 13x is equal to 4 plus 3 7 and 5 plus 6 11. Okay, so x is equal to 117 upon 13. So x is equal to 9 will be as your answer. X will be 9 as your answer. Okay, now come to the which question? D part of the same question. See this now. X minus 1 upon 3 minus in bracket x minus 2 upon 4 is equal to 1. Do in the same way. In right denominator write that 4 into 3. This 4 will go here. 4 in bracket x minus 1. Okay, and this 3 will go here. Minus 3 in bracket x minus 2. Okay, is equal to 1. Now do the multiplication. 4 into x minus 4 into 1 minus 3 into x and minus into minus. See that beta, minus will multiply with this minus. So minus and minus will become plus. Okay, I taught you rules na. 3 into 2 upon 4 3 ja 12 is equal to 1. See that 4x minus 4 minus 3x plus 3 2 ja 6 all upon 12 is equal to 1. Okay, see that now. Collect like terms together, write them together. 4x minus 3x minus 4 plus 6 whole upon 12 is equal to 1. 4x minus 3x, how much it will remain? X minus 4 and plus 4. So what you will write? Two opposite sign number. See that beta, minus 4 and plus 6 both are of two opposite sign number. So what you will do? Two opposite sign number is equal to subtraction. So subtract 6 minus 4 will be how much beta? 2. Okay, and with greater number sign in answer, whatever answer you got, out of these two, see that which one is greater? 6. So what sign in front of 6 is that? Plus. So what will be your answer? X plus 2. Okay, what will be your answer? X plus 2 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon 1. You can write this. Okay, so what it will become? Do again cross multiplication. X plus 2 into 1 is equal to 12 into 1. Okay, so x plus 2 is equal to 12. So we don't need this plus 2, shift it on right hand side. So x is equal to 12 minus 2. So x is equal to 10. So x will be 10 as your answer. Okay, beta, E part is same as I have done question number C, answer number C of same question. So you just follow the same steps and do this question, and when your copies will come for the correction, I don't want that children have written for me that homework do as answer number C. I need the solution of this question, and you will perform this solution with the help of the answer number C as I have done in the previous page. Okay, so follow that one. Now come to the F part of the question. First take LCM. 8 into 4. Okay, so take this 4 will go here, cross multiplication, 5x minus 4 and then minus sign, and in bracket x minus 3 will be there, so x minus 3 and it will be multiplied with this 8. Okay, is equal to x plus 6 upon 4. We will deal these two terms at the end of the question. So now see that 5 into 4x, multiply this outer 4 is there na, so it will be multiplied with both the terms, minus 4 into 4 minus 8 into x, minus 8 into x, and minus into minus beta plus 8 into 3. Okay, upon 8 4 ja 32 is equal to x plus 6 upon 4. Okay, so 5 4 ja 20x minus 4 4 ja 16 minus 8x plus 8 3 ja 24 upon 32 is equal to x plus 6 upon 4. Okay, see the question more and more time so that you can understand what I am doing in the answer.